Hello everyone, welcome back to today's gold trade breakdown video. And today, 4 trades are taken, 2 clean wins hitting full 1:3 risk reward, and 2 losses accepted with proper risk management. And in this video, I will show you the exact entries, confirmation, mistakes, and the mindset behind every trade, so you can see how real intraday trading works. Let's dive into the chart. As you know, our session starts from the 8 p.m. New York time zone, which is 5:45 a.m. on my time zone, and you can see after this candle opens, there is the structure. You can see this is not breaking any structure, so finally it broke this structure here, and you can see this becomes the selling zone here and another selling zone here. And after that, let's go to the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, there is no any sell entry confirmation. As you know, I look for the bearish candle, which is my own indicator. And let's go to the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, and also it did not give here entry confirmation, and it broke this structure, and it formed these two levels like this. You can see this is the apex level, and this is the resistance becomes support level. Like this, and the market tap into this level, and then I went to the this I went to the 3-minute time frame, and there you can see there forms the white candle. There was my entry, and my SL was at this point, and you can see there was also another level from where I took buy, because this is the change of character, and then after again it formed the change of character. So there becomes this double change of character, which this double change of character forms the DQM level. You can see this is the DQM level. And let's go to the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, there forms a white candle here, and my SL was just below this candle low, and this trade successfully hit 1:3 RR like this. And as you know, I look for counter trend and get the level from the 1 hour candles, and you can see there is the 1 hour level. And then let's go to the 15-minute time frame, where I refine the 1 hour level, but there was no any refinement. There is no needed of the refinement. So you can see, let's go to the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, you can see after market tapped into this level, it forms the black candle here, and my SL was at this high, and it hit SL, and after that it forms the again black candle here, and my SL was at this point, and entry was at this point, and the 1:3 it hit successfully 1:3, and again it's forming the structure, it's breaking this structure, and I was looking for the entry set of here, and this is also the another level. And let's go to the 3-minute. It did not form any white candle here, so there is no any entry. And another thing is, I was looking for this level market to tap, but this level did not tap here, and but it formed the black candle like this. If market touch at this level, if market will touch at this level, I will definitely took this trade also. And yeah, this will be run trade, but the market did not tap on this level. So this is the this is not the perfect trade for me. And yeah, I'm looking for this level to tap, and I look for entry confirmations of on 3-minute time frame at this level. And yeah, if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and comment how is my trade breakdown. And thank you so much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.